Bird of paradise, a blue fluff flies. I can barely follow your movements. You are like a magnificent, beautiful bird of paradise. If only I could fly, I would stay with you and not just stand on the ground and watch you. I watch you into the distance as you fly through the rain, as you play with the clouds. When you think a little, life becomes easier. I feel strong, but there are so many directions, so many paths, so many ways towards the setting sun. Let's be happy together until the end of time. Are still alone, still standing in the darkness where the day is darker than the night. But your path will be longer than mine, because you see glory, but nothing will stop us from walking towards love. This thought keeps us on the path. May the Lord not let us stray. Sunset.